Hi, I'm Nikita Khattar. I am from O16 batch and I have done my MBBS from Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. I had actually joined DBMCI in third year in Mangalore, where my college was. I had to make this decision to join DBMCI, and since there were many other institutes that we were comparing, and like you do that, right? कि तुम देखते हो कहाँ का लें, इसका लें, उसका लें, and we have so many options. So most of the people from my college were joining one particular institute, and I did my research and I got to know that one thing which made me tilt towards wanting to go for DBMCI was the fact that they have small strength classes. Normally they have small strength classes, and especially in Bangalore we had small strength classes. Since in the undergrad preparation also I had my coaching such that there were small strength classes, so I knew कि बहुत individual attention मिलता है, and teachers when they get to know कि okay you are sincere, so they put in efforts with you, and they put in equal efforts as much as you do, sometimes even more honestly. So for me it was like अच्छा ठीक है DBMCI के बारे में मेरे को ये चीज़ पता लगी थी. I talked to the manager there वहाँ पे जो who was looking after the Mangalore branch, and she came as that my experience of it was that she's very forthcoming with respect to yes we'll help you with that and everything. My experience from there it was like this only कि उनको मैं कुछ भी जाके बोलती थी, या वहाँ पे जितने भी स्टाफ थे उनमें से किसी को भी कुछ भी जाके बोलो कि मैम ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, ये वाला सब्जेक्ट मिस हो गया और एनीथिंग, दे वुड बी द फर्स्ट टू कम अहेड एंड बी लाइक कि अच्छा ठीक है देख लेते हैं, अभी करवा देते हैं, आपका बताओ आपका कब फ्री है, नेक्स्ट वीक में करवा देंगे, वैसा वाला. तो उसकी वजह से मेरे को वो बहुत कम्फर्ट मिला कि दे आर हियर टू सपोर्ट अस एंड एवरीथिंग. Then during COVID, actually I had my final year during the COVID lockdown. So during that time, Bhatia actually gave us that पूरा online उन्होंने shift कर दिया था, तो I did not get to attend बहुत face to face classes with the teachers. मतलब भाटिया का I cannot pinpoint one teacher and I can be like कि ये मेरे लिए भगवान है, because honestly I've said it 1,000 times to Dr. Ashwini. He knows that I treat him like my guru. He's actually guru. अगर DBMCI people call their teachers guru, they are not wrong. They are actually gurus. And not only with respect to the knowledge, it's also with respect to the support. तुमको throughout this journey, you don't like it's a very alone journey I feel, and especially if you don't have like immediately you don't have someone, either your sibling or your parents, who have been in this journey or are going through this journey, you feel very alone. And that was the case for me. I did not have कि जिसके साथ मैं ऐसे बात कर सकूँ या मेरे को वो support मिल सके. So I found that in my teachers, which was a big thing. And the fact that they were willing, उनको I just think of it like कि essentially I was a stranger to them. They gained nothing out of it. In my opinion, they gained nothing out of helping one student, but they still do it out of the goodness of their heart, is what I feel. So I don't ऐसे मेरे को सिंगली एक करके टीचर्स के नाम नहीं लेने हैं, but I really respect Dr. Ashwini. I really respect Dr. Rajat, and I really मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I don't want to keep on going like singly ऐसे करके. I'll tell you about my journey. So my journey was such that I had joined in third year, and after that during the COVID phase I had it online, which was in my final year. In the final year I was done with all the 19 subjects, like making notes. I made my own notes and I have read all the subjects from DBMCI only, and I had all my notes ready by the end of final year because online ho gaya tha classes. So my notes were ready with that respect, and my intention was that I'll study for the NEET during my internship. But it turned out such that our internship in our college was very hectic. हम लोग का गवर्नमेंट टाई अप होता है, तो उसकी वजह से वी हैड अ वेरी हेक्टिक इंटर्नशिप, बिकॉज ऑफ विच after a point I was like मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, I can't study right now, I'll go home after this, take a drop and then I'll study in the comfort of home. When I came home in Delhi, I joined DBMCI in Gautam Nagar, and like TND classes I joined. तो मेरा वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे टीचर्स का one-on-one interaction वहाँ पे हुआ. मतलब I can tell you डॉक्टर अश्विनी, डॉक्टर जय, इन लोग को मैंने उनका ब्रेक मैंने उनको लेने नहीं दिया, बिकॉज मैं उनके पास जाके बैठ जाती थी कि सर मैं आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ लूँ, एंड आई वुड एक्चुअली टेल देम कि कैन आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस, आर यू ओके इफ आई टेक अप योर ब्रेक, एंड दे वुड से अरे तुमसे बढ़ के हमसे इंपॉर्टेंट कुछ है नहीं, ठीक है. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट बोलने के लिए, बट दे एक्चुअली सेड दैट कि तुम्हारे डाउट से बढ़ के अभी हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं है, बैठो ब्रेक होता रहेगा. तो उन्होंने मेरे अपने ब्रेक्स के अंदर, विच इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक टेकिंग 10 hours और वट एवर ऑफ क्लास, उसके अंदर उनका अगर वो 20 मिनट्स या 30 मिनट्स का ब्रेक दे रहे हैं, उसके अंदर भी तुम्हारे डाउट्स क्लियर कर रहे हो, तो बेयरली 5 minutes ब्रेक दे एंड अप टेकिंग फॉर देम सेल्फ. तो आई हैड दैट एक्सपीरियंस जिसके अंदर मुझे था कि यार आई हैड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ कि ऑफकोर्स आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट फॉर माई मदर एंड माई फैमिली, एंड बट मेरे को मेजरली ये भी था दैट आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू इट फॉर दीज टीचर्स. So while preparing, मैंने actually when I came back and I was like fine, I'll join DBMCI यहाँ का TND. I did not have any second thought. I was like DBMCI ही join करना है मेरे को, क्योंकि I know the faculty and somehow the faculty that was teaching in Delhi was also similar, more or less same ही teachers आते थे वहाँ पे पढ़ाने के लिए. So I thought कि चलो notes match करेगा, easy होगा. With TNDs going on, there was one fast track TND. I actually didn't go for that. मैंने normal वाला ही लिया था. And उसमें every Sunday we would have tests. So we had 1 week to prepare for that test. For whatever test that was happening. So I actually, since I know that इससे पिछला वाला the NEET that I gave, I knew that I did not, I just gave it like that. I hadn't studied for that, and so I knew I had to join anyway, and I had to study again. So I joined that, and with every week, so even if it would be a short subject, even then I'd take that 1 whole week to study that properly. एक बार कर लिया, 2 बार कर लिया, depending on that. If it was a long subject, usually 1 week में primary read में नहीं खत्म हो पाता था, तो you would have to extend the days or something, or you'd have to sacrifice your sleep. So that was my strategy, that with the TNDs I'll try and cover subjects. There were things obviously which I would not be able to cover even with TNDs, जो notes में से चीज़ें नहीं cover हो पाती थी, but TNDs would actually give me an idea of what is important. If I know, जैसे for example surgery is a massive subject, तो सर्जरी के अंदर लेकिन मेरे को TND से पता लग जाता था यार ट्रॉमा, ब्रेस्ट, these things are super important. You cannot do things like salivary glands and all without having done trauma and breast. तो मेरे को वो आइडिया लग जाता था यार ये चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है, इस चीज़ को पहले पढ़ लो, उसके बाद करेंगे. So with the TND I ended up finishing my primary read, which was actually my TND finished 2 weeks before the INICET, last year's INICET. So I was able to do that. Then in the coming weeks, my plan was that I'll at least try and give 2 or 3 revisions of each and every subject. And I had planned it such that which is what everyone says, कि last का 10 to 15 days you have to go through every subject possible. So that was my plan. In the last 15 days, I had planned कि 19 subjects का हो जाए, short subjects I had clubbed on 1 day together. And I was able to get like 3 reads at least for all the subjects. And जो tough लगते थे, जैसे even though मेरे को I keep praising Ashwini sir a lot, I find anatomy tough. He was actually the reason जिनकी वजह से मेरे को anatomy tough नहीं लगना कम हुआ. And it is just about repetition. I think what actually worked for me was also active recall. I had flashcards, so my flashcards I would use to like do active recall, because that makes you, at least you can be sure that हाँ इतना ये चीज़ याद है. It's not like passively reading things. I was also giving GT as advised by DBMCI के teachers only. उन्होंने सबने बोला था कि GTs दो every week, or at least once in 2 weeks. Dr. Praveen ने जैसे बोला था कि you should give GT once in 2 weeks after the INICET exam. He told us कि once in 2 weeks उसके बाद दो, but then increase it to once a week. So I did that. I was actually initially not scoring that well. I was probably scoring maybe like 100, 120 correct. But my only intent with giving the GT was, I am reading in a week and I'm giving GT on every Sunday. So I would just keep that thing in mind. If I'm reading in this week, I will make sure that in this GT, whatever subjects I'm studying in this week, at least I know कि उसमें अच्छे से करना है, उसमें I don't have to make mistakes. Then next same thing would happen, and I would try and do it such, the GT that you've given today, compared to the previous GT, तुम्हारे marks उससे कम नहीं होने चाहिए. It should be either the same or it should increase. So I was more or less able to maintain that, probably because I started at like 130 correct. So that was my plan. And I know कि ये वाला period बहुत lonely हो जाता है. No matter what anyone says, you tend to become very anxious, especially in the last 1 month. Usually मतलब you are like चलो 15 मिनट बाद उठ जाएंगे और whatever, but in the last 20 days तुम उसी के उसमें डर में उठ जाते हो कि shit कि पेपर है, तुम उसके डर में उठ जाते हो. And I think with that, what helps is I would actually meditate, which I thought would help me a lot. DBMC I actually also gave mock from DBMCI. I gave it for different institutions as well, but my experience with DBMCI mock was very smooth, and like the whole how it was held and everything, it was very smooth. And I thought it had both the things. It had like easy questions भी थे जो सबको आते होंगे वैसे वाले, and it also had like tough questions, and then the major majority which is how the NEET का paper is. So I actually really liked that. In that I ended up scoring decent marks, and I got a good rank in that, like 3-digit rank आया था उनके mock के अंदर. And for that they had actually, I did not know before, they had actually made some rankers group or something, or like they had kept it such that they would hold individual sessions with Dr. Saurabh Jindal, wherein we could like half an hour session with him, maybe like they started this 20 days or 30 days before the actual paper. So for me, I got a call from DBMCI saying that, okay, you have been given this opportunity, would you like to avail it? And I was like, sure. And that was, luckily my days were such that it was 10 days before the NEET. And I'm not kidding you, 10 days before the NEET, I was in a state wherein I was, ऐसा होता है ना कि you're sitting with the notebook or you're sitting with the study material, but you're like, यार मेरे से नहीं होगा. I continuously kept having those negative thoughts. I won't be able to do it. I am not meant for this. People have been studying for so many years. There are people who are way smarter than me. I, being from a private college, I used to think कि यार there are people who are from government colleges. Delhi के government best colleges, AIIMS के बच्चे पेपर दे रहे होते हैं ये वाले. तो वो वाला फीलिंग आता था कि यार वो लोग तो कर लेंगे, उन लोग के लिए आसान है, हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? How will I be able to do it? But I had that session with Dr. Saurabh Jindal on like 10 days before the paper, and it was in the night, like 9 o'clock से 9:30 p.m. तक था. And the only thing he told me, he asked me कि कैसा चल रहा है and what are your scores in GT, how many revisions you've given and everything. And the only thing that what he told me was, I have picked up 2 things that I want to tell you. And he told me, one, meditate to calm your mind and so that you can calm yourself जब ये negative thoughts आते हैं. And second, he told me कि negative thought block, जो भी negative thoughts आ रहे हैं, don't think about it in the moment. अभी last के 10 days बचे हैं. He just told me कि if there is something which is telling you कि नहीं हो पाएगा, there is nothing to back it up. You don't have any proof कि नहीं हो पाएगा. So he just told me कि if there's a 50% chance कि हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा, तो why are you believing in the negative 50% of the chance? Why don't you believe in the positive 50% कि हो पाएगा? So he just told me that. So from then on, the next 10 days, my only this thing that I had in my head was कि just believe कि हो पाएगा, हाँ मैं कर लूँगी. I just had that. And in the last 10-15 days, जो सबका strategy होता है, in which everyone says that whatever you have read, you just have to read those things again. For me, it was the flashcards that I had made, which were basically from the previous year topics only. And uske andar, what things which have been asked, obviously those, and some things from the topics which you think that can be asked later on. So those things I had, and I just kept revising those things in the last few days. On the last day, again, for me, it was my flashcards, though I was not able to go through all of them. But I was left with maybe like 200, 300 at least flashcards. I did not go through them before the paper, but I just kept telling myself, जो Dr. Saurabh Jindal ने बोलता है कि सिर्फ अपने आप को काम रखना, कि नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता, you just have to tell yourself कि हो जाएगा. So I just told myself that, and yeah, I think that is what majorly helped. Dr. Jay also, actually, on 3rd of March, the night of 3rd of March, DBMCI was holding sessions last few days में, wherein they were sending us Zoom links to all the students of DBMCI, wherein we could join. It was our choice, wherein few teachers would come and you could ask any doubts to them on the Zoom this thing. So for that, I had joined on 3rd night, and Dr. Jay very clearly said कि I have given a lot of exams, and if there's any cheat code or any trick that works, is keeping your mind calm. So since I had two people that I respect so much, them telling कि यार calmness of mind is the most important thing, so I knew कि यार ठीक है, ये चीज़ तो मेरे को करनी है, जो हो गया वो हो गया. As Saurabh Jindal sir said कि वो फिर leave it to the destiny कि उसके आगे क्या होगा. I really I want to mention Dr. Rajat sir, because he had auto sessions. There were times जो बीच में time आता है ना, initially you are very focused and you are able to give your everything कि because you have started out, so you have that kind of energy कि अब मैं सब कुछ अच्छे से करूँगा, and last में you are very focused. बीच के time में नहीं हो पाता है. तो Dr. Rajat sir was holding auto sessions, and auto sessions के अंदर in that mid वाला part ना, I really needed that कि कोई तुम्हें बोले कि चलो अब पढ़ने बैठ जाओ, 9 बज गए हैं, and they would tell you stories. They'd tell you stories about themselves. They'd even call students from previous years who had scored like great ranks, and they would tell their strategies. They would also clear your doubts in those 15 minutes का sessions जैसे sir लेते थे, Dr. Rajat sir and Dr. Praveen sir both. So I immensely, and they have literally nothing to gain out of it. It's not like it was open to only DBMCI students. Anyone could join it, and there was a time period just where you had to fill a Google form and everything. So I just always felt with the teachers here that, and even like everyone, that yaar there are some things which you do for money, there are some things which you do for recognition. what the kind of help I got from these teachers throughout my journey, I just felt it was for neither of these. It was just from the दिल की अच्छाई के लिए, जैसे बोलते हैं उनकी दिल की अच्छाई थी कि उन्होंने आके हेल्प करी. They had nothing to gain out of it, and I think that I am here only because of that, because of all the teachers, all the gurus actually. For the future aspirants, I'd just say this one thing, that yeah, sincerity is always rewarded. So if you've been sincere in your college years, if you've been sincere in your postings, if you have prepared sincerely, even if you have wasted few days, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I feel sincerity. It's being able to keep your head on your shoulders whenever, be it a bad day or be it a good day, and forgetting about what happened yesterday. Aaj ka din mein you have to make the best of it. I'd like to, from DBMCI, I'd really like to thank people who have been there for me, be it from Mangalore, that is Mrs. Vajra specifically. Thank you so much, ma'am. And when I joined DBMCI as TND in Gautam Nagar, I'd really like to thank even the help staff that was there, who were there to help me with everything, be it Mr. Yogesh, Mr. Nibam, Mr. Shashank, Mr. Sonu, everyone, thank you so much. And obviously to all my gurus, Dr. Ashwini, Dr. Rajat, Dr. Jay, Dr. Praveen, Dr. Thameem, thank you so much everyone. I am not kidding, I have literally texted all of you, be it Dr. Saurabh, be it Dr. Ankur Jain. मैंने सबको पर्सनली टेक्स्ट करके बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट से बॉदर किया. आई नो, आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर रिप्लाइंग टू ऑल ऑफ दैट. इन द एंड आईड लाइक टू से, आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव इन कि भाटिया है तो भरोसा है. आई थिंक आई हैव ईटन माई मॉम्स हेड ऑफ telling her that how much I appreciate Bhatia and how much I owe it, all of this to Bhatia. Thank you so much.